Headlines when the trial of Ruto and Sang commenced at the ICC. At the time, Ken Wafula was opposed to any plan to discontinue or defer the ICC cases against Kenyans at The Hague. In fact, Wafula has confirmed that indeed he provided shelter to a number of witnesses who would later testify in the cases facing Ruto and Sang.
I protected some of the witnesses for 3 months. In 2010, 2011, 2012. 3 months only.
Speaking to Channel 1 from his office in Eldoret, Wafula claims that he did all that believing the Hague cases were devoid of drama. But the human rights activist has had a change of heart. He wants cases facing both Ruto and Sang terminated. But why?
You will expect that any trial judge sitting somewhere on the bench will put a stop or a comma on what he was writing during the proceedings and look back, look at the prosecution, look at the investigator, say, hi guys, I want you to go back and relook at this case properly. Relook at those people who are saying they coached. If it is true they coached witnesses, then let me know.
Wafula says his latest stand is based on the realization that the process was marred by irregularities.
One of the key reasons that made me to rethink my position on these ICC cases is the issue of Gatundu South Member of Parliament, Moses Kuria. When he came out publicly to say that he coached witnesses, that he did it together with some people, and that indeed some of those witnesses were given money, and they were from the North Rift. And yet my organization actually protected some of the witnesses.
He has, however, distanced himself from allegations that he participated in the coaching of witnesses.
I have never, ever sat down with anybody anywhere in this part of the country or outside to coach him or train him or ask or request him or her to become a witness in the ICC cases.
Wafula is pledging innocence even as pressure mounts locally on the ICC appeals chamber to relook at the decision to grant Bensouda's application to incorporate recanted evidence in the deputy president's case.
That case has to end. Has to end because it is polarizing our country. We don't want to go back to 2007 and 2008. The issue of ICC bringing Rule 68, whereby you don't have witnesses, and I don't know who they are going to cross-examine in the court.
The protests coming even as Ruto and Sang defense teams face the race against time to file a no case to answer motions before tomorrow's deadline. The two teams were given Friday's deadline last month by the ICC when they notified the chamber of intentions to seek to have the charges dismissed for lack of evidence. Eric Biegon reporting for Channel 1 News.